Imagine a land where the sun kisses the sea, where ancient ruins whisper stories of legendary gods and heroic battles. Picture a place where olive groves spread across rolling hills, where charming villages dot the landscape, their whitewashed houses shining brightly under the azure sky. This is Greece, a country that marries stunning natural beauty with a rich and vibrant history. Our traveler embarks on a journey through this captivating country, starting in Athens, the cradle of Western civilization. Here, the imposing Acropolis stands as a testament to the grandeur of ancient Greece. Atop this rocky hill, the Parthenon, arguably the most important surviving building of classical Greece, beckons, its magnificent Doric columns a sight to behold. From Athens, the journey takes our traveler to Delphi, once considered the center of the world by the ancients. The sanctuary of Apollo, where the famous Oracle of Delphi resided, holds a mystical allure, its ruins echoing with the prophecies of old. Next, the traveler ventures to the idyllic islands of the Aegean Sea, each one a world unto itself. On Santorini, the traveler marvels at the iconic blue-domed churches of Oia, their vibrant hues contrasting beautifully with the sparkling sea below. In Mykonos, the traveler strolls through labyrinthine streets lined with boutiques and cafes, the scent of bougainvillea filling the air. The journey then leads to Crete, the largest of the Greek islands, where the palace of Knossos, home to the fabled Minotaur, awaits exploration. Here, the traveler delves into the mysteries of the Minoan civilization, one of Europe's earliest societies. The traveler's odyssey culminates in Meteora, a place where monasteries perch precariously atop towering rock formations. This otherworldly landscape seems plucked straight from a fantasy novel, its beauty leaving the traveler awestruck. This journey through Greece is a feast for the senses, a tapestry of experiences that weave together to form an unforgettable adventure. From the iconic landmarks of Athens to the mystical ruins of Delphi, from the charming islands of the Aegean to the awe-inspiring monasteries of Meteora, Greece is a country that enchants and captivates. In summary, Greece is more than a destination. It's a journey through time, a voyage into a world where history, culture, and natural beauty coalesce. It's a place where every corner holds a story, every stone tells a tale, and every moment is steeped in magic. This is Greece, a country that beckons travelers with its charm, its beauty, and its timeless allure.